Hi there. I have an interesting product with me. It is 4G SIM based security camera, meaning you can insert 4G SIM and use it remotely. Yes, I will use 4G Geo SIM in this video. Inside the box, you get a sticking accessories and 1 amp charger. It is Type-C connector. And this is how the camera looks like. Its shape is unique and compact. It stands like this. Below the camera, slots for nano SIM and a microSD card are available. There is a catch here, those who use Geo SIM. It works only with old 4G Geo SIMs, and new Geo SIM won't work, as in this message from the seller. I have inserted a new 32GB Class 10 microSD card from SanDisk, followed by old Geo SIM 4G, which is having 1GB per day plan recharged. I am using power bank for setup purpose.
4G network connection succeeded.
Setup process from TrueCloud app is fairly simple by scanning QR code on the device, and hence I am skipping these easy steps in this video. Device gets added very quickly and you get a message to activate 15 days free to use cloud storage. Peeling off the protector sticker to see very first live footage. Here you go. It is under artificial light and in indoor conditions, but it is too early to comment on its clarity or performance unless I test under various conditions. Only comment I can make for now is that its cable length is very short, as you see here. Every time you boot, you get to hear audio announcement on connection status. 4G network connection takes up to 3 minutes, which is same as any CCTV camera to connect to Wi-Fi network. Coming to data consumption, this screenshot talks better. This is how 1GB data gets consumed. Though there are many things to talk about this security camera, purpose of the video was to show that old Geo 4G SIM works with this security camera. So that's all for now. Amazon link to the security camera and memory card used are in video description for your reference. Please feel free to drop your questions in comment section and subscribe to my channel for next set of videos on this camera. If you have found this video informative, please show your support by hitting like button. This is Tech Devotee signing off. Bye for now.